Hello everyone. I'm back with another idea for our color challenge this week. Vicki and I are working with Highland Heather, Lemon Lolly, and Lost Lagoon. Make sure you check out Vicki's YouTube channel, link below, to see what she did this week. All right, for my card this week, I am using translucent florals, specifically this image and this image. From my go-to greetings, I'm using the Thinking of You. I have pulled in my 3 colors of ink, Highland Heather, Lost Lagoon, and Lemon Lolly. And I have my Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm going to use those gold, gold blooming pearls this time. And I have my card kit. I have, again, my 3 colors for my card base. They're all 8.5 by 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4 in Highland Heather, Lemon Lolly, and Lost Lagoon. I have a piece of white that is 4 by 5 1/4. I have a piece of white that is, I think it's 1 1/4 by 2, 1 1/4 by 2.5. I have some 1/4 inch strips, small ones, in each of the 3 colors. And then I have some 3/8 inch strips, longer ones, in each of the colors. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this out of the way. And we're going to get started with our little image, our little tag. And I'm going to start with my Thinking of You. Ezzy, no. I'm trying to decide. I'm going to go up because I'm going to use those little flowers on here. And I couldn't decide whether to put it down, in the middle, or the top. So I went with the top. Now I'm going to use my floral image, and I'm going to use my colors. I'm going to put my Lemon Lolly in the middle because it's so faint. And if you are not familiar with the I can't think. The translucent florals images, they're gorgeous. All right, now I've got to clean this off. And I'm going to go with Highland Heather on the left side. All right, right about there. All right, I'm going to clean that off. And that's a quick way to clean your stamps if you don't have anything close by. And my thing that I normally use is downstairs. All right, so I've got that. Now, this is going to go on my card base. And I haven't decided. You know what? I think I'm going to use a piece of black behind it. So let me cut that. Okay. I cut my paper about 1/8 of an inch bigger than my panel here. All right, so I'm going to put this on, and it's just got a little tiny border all the way around it, which I think will help set it off. And it's going to go down here. Now I'm going to use my pieces like this, and my Lemon Lolly is they're going to go behind it, but I'm going to trim my corners. So this one is going to trim this way, and this one is going to trim that way. So they're opposite. All right. And I'm going to take some glue and add this. Ooh, too much. And I'm going to add that. I'm just going to kind of guess where I want it. Right about there. All right, like so. Now I'm going to put my Lost Lagoon on the bottom, and it has a really small piece. It's going to catch the corner, so I want, and this one has straight edges, so I'm going to use this size. Oops. I'm so good about putting my pin in, I totally forgot I've got to use this. Now there's not a lot of space between these, just a little tiny bit. All right, and then this one is going to go on the top, and it's a little shorter on this end. So I'm going to trim this way, and this end, all right, let's see, it's got to hang off, be a little bit longer, but not much. So I'm going to trim it that way. Let me get rid of these pieces, and I can then move it around and adjust it. And I just got glue on my mat. All right. All right, so there. Now this piece is going to go on with dimensionals, which I'm going to put on the back, but I am not going to stick it down just yet because I want to do some more stamping on here. So let me get this done. All right, so I've got that. All right, so it's just a little bit peeking out. I got to go that way just slightly. All right, now I want to do some stamping. So I've got my, let's do a Lost Lagoon flower down. Oh, you know what I want to do before I do that? Because I don't want to hide it. I want to put my long strip down the side. So let me do some figuring here. All right, I don't know which color to use. No, I think I'm going to go with the lemon. And the reason being is it's bright and cheerful. And let's see what color card to put it on. It might be Lost Lagoon. All right. There's that. Yep, I'm going to go with Lost Lagoon, so I know where I'm going. All right. I didn't even try the others, I know. But let me get this down. All right. Let me kind of eyeball how far I need to go with my glue. There we go. All right, now I'm going to put this even with the edge. And I chose the Lost Lagoon because the Lemon Lolly, because it's so light. You don't pay much attention to it. All right, there we go. Down here. All right, let me cut this off. All right, so now I've got that. Now I can do my stamping. This is going to go right about there, like so. Now I can go back to my stamping, and I'm going to take my Lost Lagoon and I'm going to put it here. I'm going to take this little sprig and I'm going to put it there. It shows up a little bit. All right, now down here I have Lost Lagoon, so maybe, and the yellow, so I'm thinking I'll do, well, there's the purple there. Let me do some thinking. Let's do this. Let's do that little sprig in the purple, Highland Heather. And I don't want to use this because you won't see it. I'm going to use Lost Lagoon again. All right, there. Now we can get our card finished up and put together. All right, so let me move this. Got some glue on there. Pull in my card base. Oops, got stuff going everywhere. Trying to hurry. It's lunchtime for the puppy. And Ezzy is not happy. She's usually pretty good about letting me finish. So she just lets me know it's time to eat and just keeps reinforcing it. All right, let me get this down like so. There we go. Now I can add this on. Excuse me. All right, and let me put this on now. I don't want to hide anything, and I do want my ribbon or my strips to show. There's that. Now, let's get our gold pieces on here. And I went with the gold because I didn't use them last time. So there's that. And there's that. And I'm going to use another big one down here. And there's the next idea for our color challenge. And I used those little images and I alternated the colors to do the inside and the envelope. Make sure you check out Vicky's channel to see what she did. Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button below and join our community to see all kinds of fun ideas. Have a terrific Tuesday. Bye.